Maayong buntag kanatong tanan. Welcome to the 64th Lapu-Lapu City Charter Day Local and Overseas Job Fair 2025 here at Island Skyline Lounge, 4th floor of Island Central Mactan. So as we all know, we are celebrating our beloved city, Lapu-Lapu City, is celebrating its 64th Charter Day. And what better way to mark this event is by opening doors of opportunity for our fellow job seekers, both local and overseas. So this event is made possible through Lapu-Lapu City Government in partnership with Island Central Mactan, Public Employment Service Office, PESO, and of course, Department of Labor and Employment. Of course, this event wouldn't be complete without the presence of our distinguished guests and partners who are with us today. So let me start with the man behind our city's progress and development. Our beloved City Mayor, Honorable Jonard Ahong Chan, also with his wife, our supportive Lone District Representative of Lapu-Lapu City, Honorable Cindy King Chan, with our ever-dependable City Vice Mayor, Honorable Solidenio Celsi Sitoy, from Department of Labor and Employment Region 7, let's also welcome Attorney Roy Buenafe. Welcome, sir. From Department of Migrant Workers, Region 7, we have Director Maria Eloida Cantonia, Regional Director. Our very own Public Employment Service Office, the man behind today's job fair. Let's give it up for Mr. Trabajo King Francisco and PESO Manager. And our Philippine Economic Zone Authority, we are joined today by Mr. Emmanuel Cortero. Leading the way for Island Central Mactan, our President and CEO, Mr. Edwin Lapasaran Lim. Our ever-supportive and dynamic General Manager, Mr. Jaro Dio. And of course, our Marketing Manager and Assistant Operations Head, Mr. Chad Lapasaran Lim. Let's give them all a big round of applause. So make most of today, guys, and explore your options. And who knows, your next career is here. We'd also like to extend our heartfelt thanks to all participating local and overseas employers for being part of this meaningful event for our Apunganans and Cebuanos. Alright, and to officially welcome us all of today's 64th Lapu-Lapu City Charter Day Local and Overseas Job Fair, we are honored to have with us our dedicated public servant whose heart is always for the people of Lapu-Lapu City. Let's give a warm round of applause to Mr. Trabajo, Mr. Kim R. Francisco, as he delivers his welcome address.
Thank you so much. Pwede na. Actually, you can continue your job interviews. Sa ato ang pinalanggang mayor sa Dakbayan sa Lapu-Lapu, Mayor Jonard Ahong Chan, ang atong umaabot karon, no? Congressman-elect Mayor Ahong Chan, o sa ato ang pinalanggang Congresswoman and Mayor-elect Cindy King Chan, together with Vice Mayor Celsi Sitoy. Ako ang pagyupo usab sa ato ang mga espesyal na mga guests karong adlaw, Architect Emmanuel Cortero, ang ato ang Economic Zone Administrator sa PESA atong Pakpakan. Kausa ang Economic Zone Deputy Administrator sa PESA, Engineer April Joy Jobs Medico. Nausap, kung sabi ni saya pa, ang tag-iya, ang CEO and Chairman of Island Central Mactan, Mr. Edwin Lapasaran Lim. He is also joined by the Senior Vice President of ICM, Mr. Edward Lapasaran Lim. Sir Edward, we also have the Marketing Head of ICM, Mr. Chad Lim. Of course, very instrumental sa pag-organize meeting ang General Manager sa Island Central Mactan, Mr. General Pugh. Ang ato ang mga partners, ako ni iwaso ng sa ICM team, si Ma'am Sheila Lao, ang head sa HR. Ang representatives sa ang Regional Director sa Department of Labor and Employment, on behalf of Attorney Roy Buenafe, si Ms. Bernardina Hamoy, the Senior Labor and Employment Officer of Dole 7, Tri-City Field Office, is here with us. Also here with us is the OIC Regional Director of the Department of Migrant Workers Regional Office 7, Ms. Maria Eloida Cantona, within the Senior Layo DMW 7, Mr. Romel Villar. Sir Romel. This is the first, no? This is the first job fair na atong gi-held on a charter day, no? Very special kay ni ato ang job fair kay pinakauna na atong gihimo sa adlaw or birthday sa ato ang syudad sa Lapu-Lapu ang charter day nato. Yan nalipay ta kay bisanong maayo sa ato ang mga kaigsuonan sa ato mga job seekers, and we are very happy, no, na to help you guys, no, na makalan mo og trabaho kay bakit ang pangandoy ni Mayor Ahong this Congresswoman Silisan na matag pamilya dinis sa Lapu-Lapu kinahanglan dunay ng trabaho. So kami sa Public Employment Service Office sa PESO mao gina ang amuang tinguha na ma-assistiran nato, no, matagaan kay gayunan ang ato ang mga nangita og trabaho, no, nga makapag og trabaho katong mga employers nato nga nangita og trabahante makapangita po og trabaho, mga trabahante, no, kay nag-offer sila ng mga jobs. So we would like to thank as well our 26 participating local companies. Ato sila pagpakan o ang 7 ka mga overseas recruitment agencies nga maghatag og kagiyunan nga makatrabaho abroad. Ato silang pakpakan. All of these employers nag-generate kini sila og 10,484 ka mga job vacancies. So daghan jud kaayo mga kagiyunan nga makatrabaho ta. In fact, mas dagan ang job vacancies kaysa sa mga nag-apply, no? So kanita na rin dire kung dawato ni sila ang trabaho, pwede gyud kaayo. And kinsa man dire ang mga first time job seekers, do na ba? No? In case do na yung mga first time job seekers, do na gyud mo'y kanang sa itawag na mamargin karapatan, no? Do na mo'y katungod nga pwede mo maka-access sa mga libre nga barangay clearance, NBI clearance, libre na siya. Basta first time job seeker mo, mag-apply mo ato sa barangay hall. No, mangayo mo dito o certification sa inyong barangay kapitan na ikaw mismo usa ka first time job seeker. Especially kung bako na tayo nag-graduate sa senior high or sa college. Okay? So, we are very happy, no, na we partnered with Island Central Mactan together with the rest of the stakeholders kay nindot kayo ang ato ang venue, no? Atong pakpakan ang ICM o niya human yung apply, pwede mo magtanaw-tanaw din nakita nindot kayo ang ato ang ambience, di ba? Kisa to nagdala-dala ng mga uyang. Hindi ko man yung interview, pwede mo nito, palit mo dali o kape or juice or magmakdo mo, hindi palit, tanaw mo dahil sa dagat. Dahil naman, utaw-utaw niya yung mga barko. Okay, so, with that, anak ko'y nakita din yung mga job seeker. Ato ang mga PWD ng mga job seekers. No? Among hangyo sa itong mga employers, kung pwede, matagaan ninyo sila o opportunity na makatrabaho. No? Naman din si Kit, ilang akong imuhang PWD na upat. So, mga employers, no, nasikil, siya mo ay ato ang focal sa PWD sa City Hall. So, he is assisting some of our registered PWD sa city na maka-apply ang trabaho. Okay, so, and also our friends from the media, I think some of them are here now, siguro. No? So, thank you so much for coming in, and among pangandoy, no? Among iampo na makasud mo sa inyong gusto nga trabaho. Daghang salamat, may buntag ka na itong tanan.
Thank you so much, Mr. Trabajo, Mr. Kim Francisco. So, what a lovely welcome address, sir. No? So, let me just reiterate what Mr. Trabajo highlighted in his welcome address. So, the aim of Lapu-Lapu City Government, together with PASO, is dapat matag pamilya diri sa Lapu-Lapu City na ay trabaho. And we have 10,844 job vacancies today. So, this is a great opportunity for us, no, job seekers na makakuha dyan ng trabaho karong adlaw. For first-time job seekers, there will be free NBI and barangay clearance. Kindly proceed to your respective barangay halls. And PWDs, naara tayo focal person to approach para ma-assist mo o taran ka din. And now, to give his message, let me call on Mr. Chad Lapasaran Lim, the marketing head of Island Central Mactan. A round of applause, please.
Thank you. Mayong buntan kanatong tanan, on behalf of Island Central Mactan IT Complex, it is our great pleasure and honor to welcome all of you to this year's 64th Lapu-Lapu City Charter Day, Local and Overseas Job Fair 2025. I wish to welcome everyone to this wonderful event made possible by the partnership between the Public Employment Service Office and Island Central Mactan IT Complex. I would like to first acknowledge and extend our heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Mayor, Junard Ahong Chan, Honorable Congresswoman Cindy King Chan, Honorable Vice Mayor Celdonio Celsi Sitoy, our Regional Director of DOLE, Region 7, Attorney Roy Buenafe, Operations in Charge, Regional Director of the Department of Migrant Workers of Region 7, Director Maria Eloida Cantonia, and PESO Manager, Mr. Trabajo, Kim Francisco, and of course, PESA Head, Mr. Emmanuel Cortero. And of course, our President and CEO of Island Central Mactan IT Complex, Mr. Edwin Lapasaran Lim, and to all our distinguished guests, partners, and employers for making this meaningful event possible. This job fair, made possible through the unwavering support of the Lapu-Lapu City Government, the Public Employment Service Office, and our team here at Island Central Mactan, reflects our shared commitment to creating opportunities for our fellow Oponganons, both local and overseas. Today marks the 64th Charter Day of our beloved Lapu-Lapu City, and our city's progressiveness lies in the hands of our future leaders, and most especially our workforce. If there's one thing I've learned about careers, it's that people are the lifeblood of the company. In today's modern world, and with the advent of artificial intelligence or AI, nothing can ever replace personal touch and emotional intelligence. So my simple advice to the opportunity seekers of today: choose the company that chooses you, your well-being, and has great plans for your future development or invests in you. Because the greatest asset you can ever have are the skills you acquire with experience. It's the one thing that no one can steal from you, and it's the one thing that with time can be your key to unlocking your dreams. Simply put, you are the key to the city's future, and it's up to us in shaping our beloved Lapu-Lapu City and make it into a haven where growth and development are sustained for progress and for our future and to the economy. I would like to end my opening remarks with a food for thought, and hopefully this can serve as a cursor or guide to motivate you further with your personal development. The saying goes, cash you can get, but talent you have to develop. So keep doing your best and love your work and learn quickly. Money is only an outcome. So to all our job seekers today, we hope this event opens doors for your future. May this be a step towards your dream and brighter days ahead. Once again, thank you for being with us today. Together, let's continue building a stronger, more prosperous, and empowered Lapu-Lapu City. Daghang salamat and good luck to all applicants. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chad Lapasaran Lim, our marketing head, our very own marketing head here at Allen Central Mactan. So, Mr. Chad Lim highlighted that people are the bloodline of the company. So you guys are very important as much as the employers that are seeking your services right now. So choose the company that chooses you, as per Mr. Chad Lim. Yeah, and I truly believe that. And right now, I am truly in the right company with us here in Island Central Mactan. So at this juncture, let me call on Engineer Emmanuel Cortero, our PEZA Mactan Ecozone Administrator. A round of applause, please.
Maraming salamat. How I wish I can deliver my message in Bisaya. So, masarap talagang pakinggan sa gitna ng Bisaya. Kaya lang, baka wala akong masabi. Okay, so, tula po lang si Mayor at Congressman-elect Gerard Ibonsan. Wala po sila dito, at later, nandito po sila. Lapu-Lapu City Congresswoman and Mayor-elect Cynthia Chan, Island Mall Central CEO and Chairman Mr. Edwin, Mr. Chad Lim, the marketing head, also to Gerald Q, to the PESO manager, Mr. Tim Francisco, to Maria Eloy Linda Cantuana, the Regional Director of the Department of Migrant Workers for Region 7, Ms. Linda Amoy, the Senior Labor Employment Officer, all the job seekers and employers here today, good morning. I can still remember vividly the first time I was searching for work as a young guy. I was fresh from university with zero job experience. Some millennials may relate to this, but back then, we look forward for Sundays because it was during Sundays that the most newspaper published their classified ads. In classified ads, we then highlight the jobs we desire and ignore the ones we dislike. Thereafter, our application letters had to be mailed. A couple of days or even weeks, you may get that call for an interview or even not a call. Some sent out applications to companies blindly for some luck on any job openings. That was how it was back then. Through the latest technology, sparks convenience and innovations. Now, we have the services from the DOLE, or the Department of Labor and Employment. We have the Public Employment Service Office, or the PESO, monthly job fairs, and online job openings. Just remember this. A company or enterprise will not be an enterprise if it does not have an employee. Therefore, there will always be a job meant for you. Job searching is a process that requires grit, fortitude, dedication, and strategy. Work does not only build one's character. Experiences from work builds one's resilience and strength, and you will grow in a community that aligns your morals and principles. Starting somewhere is better than nowhere. Just take that leap of faith as your first step to success. Be open to possible endeavors and new adventures that has endless possibilities. So all of you are so fortunate that you all have this convenience in applying for a job. With that, may all the job seekers here today be hired on the spot. I wish you all the best of luck and my huge congratulations to all of you in advance. To the employers out there, my appreciation and thank you for opening your organization to new ideas and for growth. To our economic partners, the Lapu-Lapu City Government, PESA will always be in support of your governance and any employment and livelihood initiative that will better the lives of the beloved Oponganons. To the Department of Labor and Employment, PESA will always engage to a common goal in creating employment for the Filipinos. The Island Central Mall, for sharing to us your venue, shows your commitment in serving the Oponganons. Let me extend my huge congratulations to all of you in behalf of our Director General Teresa Opanga and from the men and women of the PESA Mactan Economic Zone. Mabuhay po tayo lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Engineer Emmanuel Cortero. That was a very heartwarming message. So, Engineer stated in his message no nga, lisod yun sa una ang pagpangitag trabaho. Karon we are given the opportunity and we should be grateful that we have Gole and Peso who contributes to monthly job fair. Every month yun na siya, monthly. Para kitang tanan na walay trabaho, makakita og trabaho. And of course, mo-apply jud ta naman dyan mga higayon nga, dili jud ta madawat. But engineer also stated that job searching is a process that requires grit, fortitude, strength, and resilience. So manikamot lang gayud ta. Kung dili ta madawat, apply na po to the next, diba? So right now at this juncture, may we call on Director Maria Eloida Cantona, our Department of Migrant Workers, for her message. A round of applause, please.
Daghang salamat sa ato ang paanyag MC. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Oy, may buntag. Una sa tanan atong pagyugbo sa ato ang minahal na mayor sa city sa Lapu-Lapu. Si Mayor Ahong Chan o si kami po na ito na mayor ang inahan sa Lapu-Lapu asa bakdiri si Mayor Cindy Chan. Mag-mayor na lang tadaan. Although wala pa sila, pero naakaroon ang ato ang gitawag si Mr. Trabaho. Kailan mo niya si Mr. Trabaho? Huwag mo kaila? Naara si Sir Kim Francisco. Kundi asal, naakaroon atong pagyugbo sa Tag-iya, di ba Sir Kim? Sa Bisaya, Tag-iya. Sa ato ang venue, sa ato ang job fair na Father and son ba siguro na sila? Father and son, sir? Nephew. So, Sir Edwin Lim, and then si Sir Dad Lim. And of course, ang ato ang administrator sa PESA, Engineer Emmanuel Cortero, iubanan yun sa iyang Deputy Administrator. Guwapo kayo. April Joy. The April Joy na yun, kaya nagkapareha sa mong birthday, si Sir April Joy. Midiko, Taga-Alcoy. Unya sa Dole. Kung asa ko gikan sa una, before ko nibalhin sa DMW, ang akong kauban na nirepresent na RD Roy Benefe, si Ma'am Arlene, ay buntag. Kung kaninyong tanan, maayong buntag. Kamu ang starring sa ato ang job fair, ang ato ang mga employers, at ato ang applicants. So ako ang sumpayan, musumpay ko sa kadong istorya ni admin. Kinsa na rin ang nakasuway sa una. Pag-apply, maguwat kada Domingo, kay pagga kaayo ang newspaper. Nagtanong kumurag wala naman siguro. Kay puros naman yung mga batanon. Naabay nakasuway? Isabe, isa sa kamot. Wala na. Ay nako sir, wala na sir. Engineer, wala nang nakatry. So online na lahat. So sa unang panahon, kita nga mga applicants kita magsuroy-suroy, mangita kung asa ta mag-apply. Pero karon lain na. Ang trabaho na ang gipaduol sa atua. So walay rason na, walay rason na dito maling kamot nag-interview karon kay sama sa gisulti ni Sir Kim. Sama sa gisulti ni Mr. Trabaho, ang atuang vacancies 10,800 plus. Mas daghan pa siya sa atuang applicants. So basin siguro kaling naadari karitanan, masunod rin sa 10,000 ka vacancies. Pero sa ato pag-isingon nga, karon giablihan, daghang opportunities ang gi-open para sa ato. Kami sa DMW, asa tong overseas na adere, amo ang gisiguro nga kani siya nga mga opportunities nga giablihan gi-open para sa applicants nato. We have to make sure nga kani siya safe. Safe na dili ka maingon pa mabiktima sa mga illegal recruiters, illegal recruitment. Mao na ka inaadari karon na 7 kabuok nato nga recruiters. We have to make sure na dili sila maka-appeal kaning mga na-apply sa overseas. Dili sila ka-appeal ang atong agencies kung wala ni sila undergo. Nga ato yung tanaw kung ang ilang mga lisensya is kanang pagyod, valid pa. And at the same time, ang ilang vacancies dapat naapag yun ang ilang job order. So kung unsa man gali ang opportunities na gi-open karon sa job fair, kita makahatag og kanang kasiguruhan nga ang kaning naa karon dili nga nang-apply, dili ta masulod atong mabikuan, dili ta mabiktima sa illegal recruitment. Kaya kung unsa ang naa diha nga mabasa nato ng mga job offerings kana is available pa din na. Ang ato alam no, na iyay nakakita ng madaylaing pamilya. So ato na naata diri karon nag-apply dili para sa atong kaugalingon kung dili para sa ato ang pamilya. Dili para sa laing pamilya kung dili para sa ato ang pamilya. Kani katawa si mga sumana dili na limang pagpanrabaho sa gawas. Kinsa kanang sa applicants nato sa overseas. Kinsa diha ang kanang returning na balik manggagawa mga apply og usab gikan na sa gawas. Kinsa ang kamote wa may lisa sa kamot ayaw mo bigna kamotanan mga bago mo tanan nang apply pa dong gawas. Nay na bago. Tumauna ako sa atong naon ato pong ipakuha sa atong pest manager na especially sa katong mga bago pa lang mga apply sa gawas. Naagyo diha ang kamingaw sa inyong pamilya. Pero inubanan sa ato ang kadasig nga ang ato ang pagpang-apply para sa ato ang agulingon sa atong pamilya. Mao nang ingon ko good luck na itong tanan bisag diri sa domestic. Mag-hope ta nga daghan kaayong ma-hire on the spot. Sa atong employers no, kani sa overseas dili man kaayo ni sila pero atong ipanginaot nga daghan ninyo ang mo-qualify nga gamay na lang ang kulang nga at least makalarga din mo sa gawas. At least dili lang na para sa pagbilingon para pud na sa inyong sa ato ang nasod sa ato ang nation for the improvement dili lang sa Lapu-Lapu kung taga Lapu-Lapu man kay dili man itan taga Lapu-Lapu pero para gid ni at least makatabang ta sa ato ang nasod nga Pilipinas. So good luck na tong tanan both local ug overseas. Unya nagtanaw ko diri murag daghan naman sigurong dito tong pahiyom basin nagawat na siguro na sila na hire on the spot. So good luck na tong tanan sa atong hunahon-naon nga kung suman ang ato ang karon kapag sakripisyo pagpailing diri pagmulat na kita ang ma-interview. Let us be hopeful nga para gihapon ni in the long run ang epekto ani para sa kaayuhan nato o sa ato ang pamilya. So good luck inyong maayong buntag sa tanan.
Thank you so much, Director Maria Eloida Antonia. She is our OIC Regional Director of Department of Migrant Workers. So, she gives us assurance, guys, na wala dyan scammer diri nga employer because they all underwent very nindot na process na approved by Peso and Dole, of course. And guys, touch up ito diha gamay no kay basin ma-interview mo sa ato ang media partner today, Miss Luan Merolina from GMA News TV. Welcome, ma'am, to Island Central Mactan. And last but not the least, to represent on behalf of Attorney Roy Benefe of Dole Region 7, we have Ma'am Arlene Hamoy. A round of applause, please.
Daghang salamat sa atong maanyag na MC. Maayong buntag sa tanan. So, on behalf of the Department of Labor and Employment, headed by Attorney Roy Benefe, I would like to extend our appreciation to the local government of Lapu-Lapu City, headed by Mayor Ahong Chan and Lone District Representative Ma'am Sandy Chan. So, good morning. O sa ako mga kauban diri ang ato ang Island Central Mall Management, Sir Edwin, Sir Chad. Morning, sir. And sa ato ang PEZA, Sir Engineer Emmanuel o Sir April Joy. Sa DMW, si Director Eloida. O ang ato ang partner forever, ang amo ang Little Dolly, no? Little brother nato sa Peso, si Mr. Kim Francisco. So, good morning natong tanan. Magpasalamat bigda ko sa LGU, Lapu-Lapu, sa pagpahigayon ani local and overseas job fair nga ipangaluhan usab ni Sir Kim Francisco ang isa sa atong mga top performing Peso sa Tri-City Field Office. So ako silang pakpakan si Sir Kim, pakpak sa movie kaya harong magsige ni siya job fair. Unya, pasalamat pa sa mga working committees. Thank you kaayo, mahinaot ni nga inyong ma-manage ang ato ang daghan kayong aplikante. Ingon man usab pasalamat ta sa Island Central Mactan kay diri ipahigayon ang activity inya. Kuan na siya complete package, no? Ayan mo paglakaw kay nara diri kan-anan o unsa pa inyong comfort na gikinahanglan. Nya labaw sa tanan apa gyud sila wishing well, no? Wa wish mo na diri before magpa-interview nga ma-hire on the spot mo. Okay, so the department's vision is to give full, decent, and productive employment for every Filipino worker. So mauna nga part ani mauna pag-promote sa gainful employment niya kaning target nato sa atong job fair dili lang ni job fair no nato tay target ani 20% of the registered applicants ma-hire on the spot mauna nga sa atong mga employers pasalamat mi dako ninyo kay kung wala mo dili ni pwedeng hitabo nga activity unya sa kanunay every month or twice a month or bisag kada semana na amo nga mosuporta sa Department of Labor and Employment, local and overseas employers. Pagpaka na to sila mga job seekers. Then, pasalamat po pa sa mga job seekers na akong nakita na naay mga pangandoy sa kinabuhi. Wala sila nag-urong sa ilang panimalay nga magsigig paminaw sa yaw-yaw ni nanay. So, salamat ninyo mga job seekers nga mahinaot mi nga ipang-apply ninyo paningkamot o panimuha inyong gamiton. Dayon kung makadawat na mo or magawat na mo o trabaho, higugmaa ang inyong trabaho para the rest will follow, no? Mga grasya, anak. Then, last but not the least, ang pinaka-importante na sa kanunay mag-ampo mo for guidance, for more blessings and protection. So, kanatong tanan, mahinaot na fruitful ang ato ang output ni ining activity. So, daghang salamat o maayong ta.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Arlene Hamoy from Department of Labor and Employment Region 7. So, of course, Ma'am Arlene Hamoy highlighted in her speech na dapat ampingan po nato ato ang trabaho mo, no? So, after makita nato sa itong trabaho, di man mag-start atong career, so ampingan jud nato, di ba? So, that is the aim for job, that is the final process of job searching, is to maintain your job yun, inyong ampingan. And of course, Lapu-Lapu City Government Job Fair 2025 is not possible without our active and proactive participating employers and working committees. Thank you so much. Of course, our friends from the media, our guests and patrons right now. So, after guys, mag-apply mo diri na daghang kalingawan sa ubos, daghang kananan, diri sa Island Central Mactan. So, right now, I would like to ask Island Central Mactan's HR Supervisor, Ms. Sheila Maylao, to close the program. A round of applause, please.
Thank you very much, John. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Island Central Mactan, thank you all for participating in today's job fair. A special thanks to our President and CEO, Mr. Edwin Lapasaranlim, for his support, and of course to our Island Central Mactan team for your hard work and dedication. We are also honored with the presence of PESA Head, Mr. Emmanuel Cortero, and Jobs Malipo, our Department of Migrant Workers, and Department of Labor and Employment. And of course, our PESA Head, Mr. Kim Francisco, thank you so much. And of course, to our participating employers, thank you very much. To all applicants, remember that every application, every interview, and every opportunity brings you closer to success. May you find a job that not only supports you, but of course, to empower you to build a better future for yourself and for your family. So we hope that this becomes a yearly event here in Island Central Mactan para daghan og trabaho para sa mga Pilipino. So daghang salamat ug maayong buntag.
Thank you so much, Ms. Sheila Maylao. So at this juncture, we would like to ask PESO representative to gather some of the hired on the spots for photo opportunity with our guests today here on stage.